got a little problem, you know.
You're shooting like angles. Yeah. I made you on the road.
Dan is just, he's just loud at the minute.
You don't see I'm on my third fucking strike.
Payback! My street team will fucking find you and kill you!
It's Sebastian's sister. Can't be brucking up every fucking minute and then running away from him.
When you see your boy, tell him what time it is, innit?
We got Major, there's Angles.
I got that fucking yardie Major, he's heading west.
Got him.
Don't fucking move, yardie. Get your hands on it!
I don't know why me and John never stick to the agreement we have. We feel that them can hide from the alien.
Either you give us Angles, or you do 8 months remand.
Where's that? Where's that?
Good, my bro.
It's Major, bro. You need to get that Major.
Any problem? I'll put my number in the world slot back.
Jack, get in the fucking car.
How the fuck is man working with grass cloth feds? You man need to keep it low right now. No fucking phone.
Fucking snitch.
We're heading to a new dimension. We rise and we fall. We rise and we fall. We're coming with good intentions. Through the light and the dark. Through the light and the dark. I can feel it coming over me. I'm so blind and you can't see it. It's coming over me. Love, let it be. 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 And we will never die. And we ain't gonna cry. Just listen to my heartbeat. And we will never die. And we ain't gonna cry. Just listen to my heartbeat. Just listen to my heartbeat.